snowy feet. Bundle up, it's time to go to the Arctic rescue. Through the snow, we all aboard the rescue train. Chug-a-chug through ice and rain, puffing clouds of silver steam, helping others team by team. Whoa, goes the whistle call. Bobo and Kiki are brave and small. Levers pull, the engine hums. Over bridges the rescue comes. Signals blink in red and green, the brightest lights they've ever seen. They wave to seals and snowy hills, hot cocoa spills. Oh, giggle thrills. Oh, rescue on our way, helping friends both night and day. Snowy winds won't make us stop. We'll fix the tracks and climb each top. Woo, goes the whistle loud. The rescue train makes everyone proud. Bunk beds sway as they close their eyes. Strip stars are twinkling in Arctic skies. Dreams of helping fill their heads as the train hums softly through snowy beds. Morning comes with a rosy glow. Auroras dance across the snow. Mission done, they cheer in delight. Our hearts feel warm this chilly night. They wave goodbye their journey through. Bobo and Kiki, heroes true. All aboard the rescue train, through the ice and through the rain. Bobo's laugh and Kiki's cheer spread warmth and joy all through the year. Woo, goes the final sound. Home they go, safe and proud.